Hi guys! Tara samahan niyo akong tikman itong Chef's Bud Unlimited Chicken Wings, and this is located number 81 Macaria Drive, San Pedro, Laguna. And this is your sign para kumain ng unlimited chicken wings. Ang price range lang pala nito guys is 158 to 258 pesos only yung kanilang sizzling meals. And yung unlimited wings nila is 338 pesos only guys. And nakakatawa lang dito is yung chicken nila is hindi masyadong ma-breading. So ayan, makikita nyo yung mga menu nila. So ayan, pa-selfie muna tayo habang waiting. So yung salted egg flavor nila guys is 9 out of 10. Masarap to guys. Hindi siya tinipid sa salted egg at talaga namang crispy talaga yung kanilang chicken. Mapapalaban ka talaga dito sa sarap. Talaga ma-enjoy mo talagang kumain dito. Naku! The next one of course is yung cheese flavor. 1,000 out of 1,000 to, and this is one of my favorite. Halatang halata naman mga sis. Alam mo, once na dinip mo to, ito talaga magiging favorite mo hanggang